respected chair of the National Caretaker Committee of Labour Party, Your Excellencies, Dr. Peter Obi, I said Your Excellency, Dr. Peter Obi, presidential candidate and very hopefully the president in the next dispensation. Permit me to stand on all other protocols. I don't even need 2 minutes. The President of Congress, Nigeria Labour Congress, asked me very, very impromptu to represent him here. I was sitting with him, he just said, the former president is going to represent me. I said, okay. But I just want to draw our attention that this time around, let us not toe the line of failure again. Please, and the only way we can be able to be sure we win and win in total is for us to look very closely to any loophole that will make us fail. And therefore, every inch of the requirements of the law we must look at in taking decisions so that at the end of the day, we will not be faltered. Luckily, the Supreme Court judgment is something that is very glaring and clear. It is left for us now to move towards legality, take care of whatever legal requirements, and we are done. I wish us every success, and I do believe that we are going to succeed. Thank you very much.